गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल। केम छो दोस्तों। मैं हूँ गोवा में और अभी सुबह उठ के जल्दी जल्दी तैयार होते हैं और उसके बाद चलते हैं गोवा। हम लोग जाएंगे घूमने आज स्पाइसेस, जो इंडियन स्पाइसेस हैं उसकी सफारी के लिए। तो मैं जल्दी होता तैयार और उसके बाद अपन लोग निकलते हैं। मिलते हैं आपको वीडियो में। कीप वॉचिंग एंड कीप सपोर्टिंग और लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दोस्तों। सी यू इन द वीडियो। सरकारी स्पाइसेस सफारी और सरकारी उसका जो ऑनर है उसका टाइटल है। गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी है। यहाँ से हमें गाइड जो है वो बताएंगे। मैं वीडियो शॉट करूँगा और वो बताएंगे हमें क्या क्या यहाँ पे स्पाइसेस है। यहाँ पे टिकट काउंटर है और ये 500 रुपये में आपको फूड। Made from lemongrass, cardamom, ginger. It takes around 30 to 40 minutes walking and then the lunch. But drinks like beer, soft drink, water, then chai, extra food. Total property 130 acres, and we can't walk 130 acres. While walking small, we just for the 2 acres, we're making small circle. Very expensive. There is saffron, and saffron we can't go up because of climatic condition. Saffron in Kashmir, Spain, Iran, not in Goa. Because in Goa, climate is very hot. We grow like vanilla, cardamom, clove, cinnamon, pepper, like that. So we start from this tree. So they are very small beans are here, green color.
Oh, yes.
Once ripe color change right color, is a coffee beans.
Oh.
And there are two types. One is Arabica, one is Robusta. Here Goa commercially we are growing Arabica. Robusta commercially we are not growing. But we get in market like Nescafe, brew is from this Arabica. After roasting smell, before roasting no smell. Now just like this six. So this is a coffee plant. Please.
Nice. Yeah.
Cinnamon tree.
And the leaf can use for the tea.
It's the bark of the tree, but it takes on 12 years, 15 years to get the bark ready. But once you're ready, we get one more ground, we chop the tree and then we take out the skin. Rolled sticks. That is cinnamon sticks. Leaf of cinnamon, local market sold as a bay leaf, tejpata, but it's not a bay leaf. Bay leaf is different, but local market is selling this. Aroma, taste, everything is a but tree, cinnamon.
Okay.
Also we are extracting oil from the tree, cinnamon oil, good for like joint pain, muscle pain, spondylitis, arthritis, sinus good. But don't apply directly. Mix in beige oil, then massage. But when you massage, normally you're rubbing. Don't rub, only one-sided. You massage upwards or push or fold, you'll get blocked, damage. So massage top to bottom, away from the heart. So, cinnamon.
And how old is that one?
This is 6 or 7 years.
Oh,
6 on 12 years, 15 years to get
to
ready.
mature.
Original bay. They are growing Europe side. In India, mostly all over the India, they are using cinnamon leaf. There are lots of varieties of cinnamon. They use this one. Bush with a long leaf. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Cardamom bush. Yeah. But cardamom not grows up apart. They grow on surface, just above the ground, on its shoots. And market we get two color. One is green, and one is a black.
Black.
So we grow only green. Black cardamom we don't have here. Seed of green cardamom good for depression, antidepressant, cover, skin. We are throwing outside. Don't throw. Crushed, put in dishes, enhancing the memory. And one bush like this, we get around 30 gram, 40 gram in the year. That's why it is a quite expensive also. This one is a small bush. In India, fruits you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any idea?
It's like big almond.
Is it the nest?
What children most like? Wait.
But they are for the
No, I have simple question. What is children most like, madam? To eat?
cocoa.
Yeah, cacao.
Cacao.
Yeah. Brazil fruit is very big, just like papaya size. Once ripe, color change yellow color. The beans inside. Like different kind of chocolates. But actual cocoa is not sweet, very bitter. While processing, adding lot of sugar, it became sweet. Natural cocoa, bitter. Yeah. Talking about these plants, see? They all are turmeric plants.
Very nice.
But
Turmeric.
grows underground like ginger. But when rhizome ready, plant dies.
Oh,
Then you
the
know,
upper. The
yeah,
upper.
then you know it is ready. They all are dry, mate. So we dig out the roots, boil in water, dry them soon, then we making a powder form. Turmeric known as like Indian saffron because turmeric with green cardamom gives fragrance, color like saffron. Saffron very expensive. Everyone can't buy. At home use turmeric and cardamom in dishes. And turmeric has lots of medicinal properties. Fight with cancer, good for Alzheimer, antiseptic, antibiotics, anti-inflammatory properties in it. Health-wise, this is very good. Especially very cheap. Easily we can buy. Afford it. Turmeric. So tea which are serving over there in welcome area is made from that. Is made from lemongrass, cardamom, ginger. Good for like travel sickness, migraines, headache, cold, cough is good. And we extract oil. Areca nuts. Nut is inside. If you chew dried piece of this, dried one, no? That's good for like digestion. Boiled it fresh like this. This is equivalent to 30 ml of whiskey.
What?
That's legal drug. That's what people achieve. That's why this nut is known as happy nuts. They're making like happy for you. And the rings are here. That is age 1, 2, 3. These 3 blocks means these 3 rings make 1 year. 2 years 6, 3 years 9. Count age of the palm. Normal age 45. After 45 years, stop the fruit. We cut it and grow a new one. Harvesting also interesting. Person doesn't climb each and every single palm. It climb one palm, throw the bunch down, and swing from one palm to another. It's like monkey. Top portion flex strong. Also the flexible palms. There's some very tiny fruits, balls like lemon. All you can see, no? The fruit
Yes.
is a nutmeg tree.
Nutmeg.
Yeah.
Used for burning.
Yeah.
For
Burning, no. It's very hard one, and they grate and they put in dishes.
dishes.
Yeah, very hard one.
Okay.
When it is ripe, this fruit ripe, open from down, single fruit we get like 2 spices, mace and nutmeg. Mace like a covering shell of nutmeg. Mace, previously there was a tear gas, mace spray. Nowadays there is pepper spray. Previous time there was the mace spray. And nutmeg help for the gout. Gout means uric, that's saturated in joints anywhere. It's a kinds of arthritis. For that, take one nutmeg paste powder, lemon juice, ginger, make a paste and apply. No drink, external use for like 10 days. But nutmeg, if you use in dishes, means any kind of dishes, use very small, very tiny. If you use more, feel dizzy, affect your brain. Some country, nutmeg is a banned kind of drug. When children's kids, suppose they are more crying, then generally, mother what she does, grate a nutmeg, add in milk, give to baby, they make sleepy for you. If it's daily, addicted, like a sleeping tablets, they make drowsy for you.
This
But
is
if it's
not a normal food. Actually, उसका नाम जो हम जानते हैं, that is jaipur.
you know,
Not
like Indian married, like a bridegroom first night, they're serving glass of milk. Adding pinch of this, nutmeg, and thread of saffron. This mixture is equivalent to 1 Viagra tablet. Talking about this climber, on this climber, you've seen very carefully, there's some tiny berries, fruits hanging near the leaf. You can see all of you?
Yes.
Peppercorns.
Which one?
Here, this climber, in the leaf, everywhere they're hanging near the leaf, green color.
Oh, the creepers.
Yeah. There are 4 colors pepper, green, red, white, and black. Climber is the same.
We know only
Process.
black and white.
Okay. Only processing we are making different. First now this is a green in color, ripe, then color change like red. Both are the same in color. Pluck and put some salt water or vinegar. Keep for a few days. Color remain as it is. Green are like pickles, sauces, pizzas they are using. White and pluck red and it should boil in the water. Outer skin goes. Inside seed that is a white pepper. Green or red pluck and dried is become the black pepper. Black spicy, white is mild. Green and red medium. All are same but process make different.
This is
artificial, no? The dummy one. Not really. Hanging down this nut and top portion of fruit.
Ah, and only one per piece.
Yeah, one fruit, one nut. And nut outside from fruit, not inside the fruit. So nut we separate, dry them and send to factory. If you directly, then your mouth gets burned, acidic. You can eat the fruit, not nut. Nut is a dangerous part. From the fruit, here in Goa, we are making special alcohol known as cashew feni. I think you heard about feni. All of you.
So that is from the fruit.
Oh yeah, not from nuts. Anyone tried feni?
Yes,
Okay.
I did.
Okay. If you want to try, let me know. When you finish the trip in the restaurant, we are giving for taste like medicine. But if you are interested, not compulsory. Okay. Because what in local market tastes different, we make your taste is different. Sure, sure. After the tour, sir.
40%?
Yeah. Like
40
brandy.
or 80%?
40%. 40%. It's like a brandy. 40%. The fruit, traditionally, we're collecting here and we're stumping by the feet. But nowadays modernized, they put in machines now. And then juice is collected in the barrel, like the wine. And it is a fermentation, like 4 days, 5 days, but natural fermentation. No sugar, no yeast, nothing. Naturally they ferment it and they put here for distillation. This is a distillery unit here. And first distilled, what we get known as cashew urrak, also known as like jungle juice. It contains 10%, 12% alcohol, seasonable drink. Again we take urrak juice. Both we are mixing together and we are making second distillation, that is a feni. Feni contains 42% alcohol. But if you drink like small quantity, only 20 ml. Cold cough, good. So clean your throats. Thins your blood, it's a blood thinner. But if you try like before lunch or dinner, you can eat more food. Increase the appetite. 20 ml. If you drink whole glass, no food, you fly like that. Small medicine. Yeah. Second most expensive spice, vanilla it is.
Vanilla.
Wheat cakes, ice creams. But if you see carefully, then there is no roots under the ground. But roots are there on sideway, known as aerial roots. But not a parasite, because parasite damage another tree. This belongs to orchid. It takes nutrition, food from the air, from the atmosphere. And first flower after 3 years, then every year. And flower, we are doing manually pollination. Nature doesn't have to make the pollination. So this is bisexual. Stigma, pollen grain. Same flower, we just cut and attach together. Originally from Mexico, but in Mexico there are some bees known as Malipona bees. Those are not surviving here. We are doing manually for this. So after pollination, taking 6 months, 9 months to get the fruit, the pod ready. Like that, around 30-40,000 beans, they extract just 1 liter of vanilla oil. But we use cake or ice cream, known as essence. Essence means what? Chemical flavored. It's not real vanilla. Most of the oil, vanilla, 50% are using medicine, for medicine purpose. 30% they put in soft drink companies. 20% perfume industries. Everything finished.
Do we get any cold press over here if you want to buy?
Not cold press, but we are selling the pods. Suppose you like use original vanilla in your dishes, take 1 kilogram sugar, add that container, buy vanilla pods. Also, you will get in market. But when you're buying this pod, just carefully. If you roll the pod on your finger like this, sometimes break. Break means pod is a fake. Oil is already extract. Flexible, good quality. Slit in middle, dip in sugar for 10 days or 15 days. It absorbs the flavor. Sugar crystal and vanilla flavor. That sugar you can put any dishes. That gives vanilla flavor. That you can use wholly.
How you do this?
They use flowers.
Yeah.
I mean
But
flowers.
Where they join?
Near the leaf only they use flowers.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
It has any smell?
This is the flower of
Fruit.
fruit.
Yeah. Like a French beans. Right now there is no fruit. Near the leaf.
So how do you differentiate
Okay.
between your spices and the grown in Kerala?
Kerala and Goa climate is similar. Smell and shape.
Oh, what is this?
But which is better?
Those are growing organic one, so better.
These are like strong, right?
No, I was asking.
Like familiar, but tree is confusing. Is known as allspice tree. Known as 5 spice. They use fruit, looks like the peppercorns. Fruit we dried, we making powder, and single fruit they giving 5 tastes: cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, pepper, clove. 5 tastes together. Chinese cuisine there's lots. I think you heard about Chinese 5 spice. It's this tree, but it's not from China. It's from Jamaica. That's one a Jamaican spice or Jamaican pepper. Instead like garam masala, you can use this. Or leaf you can put in biryani or pulao, no problem.
This one is nice.
This is a very small plant. Also, they are very small. They are very tiny chili. With smaller leaves. So both are clove tree. Next month season for the clove, January, and that is a flower bird. Top of the ball, it bloom, it became flower. But it bloom, it goes waste. Before bloom, hand pick, we dry. After dried, color change brown, and when we are extracting the oil, it color change black. Good quality, that is a brown. It's not a black. From black oil is already the extract. Local market is selling black. Don't go for the black. Buy brown.
Brown.
If you press with your nail, oil came out. Good quality, hard like a stick. Not good. Oil is already the extract. Oil for teeth, toothache. That's why it is known as a dentist by a natural anesthetic properties in it that numbs your teeth. So this is the clove tree.
ऊपर एक वो है ना
Oil उसमें से निकलता
That
है
is the
when
insolvent process.
नहीं I
सिर्फ
mean,
oil निकाला
you said ना when you press it you will find that
Oil came out.
हाँ, so which portion of that particular clove?
लकड़ी जो नीचे
नीचे
लकड़ी
वाला,
रहता है, हाँ,
नीचे
that रहता है.
not at the
No,
top.
not ball.
पर वो जो फूल हम जब खरीदने जाते हैं तो वो ऊपर के वो बॉल के साथ मिलती है
हाँ, बॉल के साथ ही मिलना चाहिए. इसमें लेकिन ऑयल भी रहना चाहिए. डंडी रहे तो ऑयल रहना चाहिए. वही बोला मैंने.
हाँ,
काला है तो
ऑयल निकल चुका है वही तो बोल रहे हैं.
अगर ब्राउन है तो
उसमें
नहीं,
ऑयल.
मार्केट में कलर डाल के भी बेचता है.
And how about you? How about you? How about you?
We have good qualities. If you want, can visit on shop later on. So now this is a very small trip. So this is the end of our spice trip. And when walking here, we are feeling hot. We are feeling tiredness. We have small tradition near the spice counter. Tradition is what? When the workers they work here and they get tired, what they do? They jump in water, or swim in the water, relax, and then they go back for the lunch. But all of you not possible to jump in water. So that's snake inside, don't worry. So tradition modernized, I'll put little water on your spine. And two oil they mix like citronella and lavender, good for relaxation. So while put on your spine, because when you're walking in the farm, our spinal cord get expand. To contract the spinal cord, you're putting water that you make relax. But no stains, spoils in clothes. Don't worry. So please follow tradition and then we go back for the lunch. And before lunch, you want to try feni for the taste, no? After tradition, those who try kaju feni, stay with me. I'll give feni for your taste, and then you can join for the book. Okay, I hope in Spice Store. Have a nice time, great day, and yourself.
Thank you.
ऐसा नहीं है.
वो मेरे को सिखा रहा है वीडियो में.
गिम्बल मैन है वो सबको सिखा सकता है वो.
और अभी हम लोग ट्राई करने वाले हैं काजू फैनी, गोवा की फेवरेट. और ये लोग ओरिजिनल बनाते हैं. यार मैं ड्रिंक तो नहीं करता लेकिन
We are in the spice gardens. We look around, see some spice, and have a nice walk. And now we are going to try feni
This is
from
the
the
kaju feni
cashew
and finish in one, like a shot. Start to finish, one
Okay.
go.
Oh my god.
So the gentleman is serving us.
यही दिए है तुम लोग का. 500 रुपये में फूड और स्पाइसेस सफारी चीपी है, कोई ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है. खाना बहुत अच्छा था. तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं वापस अंजुना बीच.
Turn on.
And then where are we going?
Yeah, 30 meters. Turn right to Anjuna Beach.
तो हम लोग जाने वाले हैं अंजुना बीच. और ऑप्सो वीडियो में मिलते रहेंगे.
Yeah, 30 minutes ahead of you. Turn to the left, Anjuna Beach.
तो हम लोग हैं अभी कांदुलिम बीच. और आज डिनर है आउटसाइड. एक स्मॉल पार्टी है मेरी तरफ से.